We all want to burn fat real fast. In this video, I'm going to share with you my favorite fat burning coffee recipe which will burn fat for you real quick. Is it magic or science? Let's find out in this video. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today, as you all know, I am going to share my fat burning coffee recipe with you guys. This is my personal favorite coffee, and to whoever I have suggested this coffee, they have come back and told me it's amazing, it works wonders. Coffee is a thermogenic and it has caffeine and it burns fat, has been taken as a pre-workout and also as a fat burner. Everybody knows that. It's really common these days. But what you don't know is two more ingredients with coffee which can accelerate more fat burning and burns calories like anything. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the recipe. So first you need to boil a mug or more than a mug of water with 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks in it. So you would ask me why cinnamon? Because it is a thermogenic again, and if you don't know what thermogenic, it increases the heat in the body, which in turn affects the body's metabolism and burns more fat for you. One more thing, whoever is worried about the belly fat and stuff, cinnamon specially targets the abdominal fat. Also, some researchers show that taking 1 teaspoon to half teaspoon of cinnamon every day would boost weight loss, plus it reduces the blood sugar level, plus it reduces your insulin. It promotes healthy processing of the carbs. So back to the recipe guys. So you boil it for I guess I don't know the perfect timing, I just see the color. When it turns brown, you take out the water in a mug. You should drink a large mug of it because I do the same and I see the result from that. So then what you do is take a lemon. I do a few drops of lemon on my coffee. Gives a really good taste to my coffee, and also it is very beneficial. Lemon, do I really need to explain you why lemon is important? Everybody knows that lemon is amazing for fat loss and it also eliminates toxins from your body. A lot of other benefits. So then what you do is add 2 teaspoons of your regular coffee, and which coffee do I use? So you can take Davidoff, you can take Brew or any kind of coffee, no specific brand. So I am currently taking Nescafe, you can take that too, and that's it. Your fat burning coffee is ready. And one thing I would like you all to know guys, that this coffee is really amazing. This coffee will burn fat for you, your increased metabolism, increased energy, and also guys, those of you who are suffering from bloating and from water weight, then this recipe, this coffee will definitely help you out. It will get all the toxins out from your body. Also it will get all the excess water out of your system, and isn't it great? You can drink this coffee hot, as well as you can add some ice and let the coffee cool down a bit and add some ice, and you can drink it cold as well. So it depends on my mood. I take it sometimes cold and I also take it sometimes hot. And how to take it? You should take 2 mugs of this coffee. First you should try it for 2-3 days. See no acne or boils is aggravating, then you should continue taking it for 2 times a day. And if you see that it is too strong for you or anything, just take it once in a day. So how you should take it? First thing in the morning, and the next month you should take in the pre-workout. To that, I had done a video on I guess last week on replacing your pre-workout with the other 3 ingredients which burns fat efficiently, and coffee is one of that, and it has all the information. So if you don't know why you should use coffee and why it is so beneficial, then you should go watch that video. After watching this video, I'm linking it somewhere here. So that's it guys for the fat burning coffee recipe, and I hope you enjoyed. I hope you'll burn fat fast with this one, in addition to other things. Of course you need workout, you need diet and everything in place. Guys, please like the video, give it a thumbs up and leave me comments down below what other topics or questions do you have. I will surely address them, and subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, guys. This is very important. Follow me on all social media platforms because I stay connected over there. You will see more of my workouts and other things throughout the day. It's not that interesting, but it is definitely motivating. So do follow me there, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.